Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in an Audi Q3 using an easy method. First, let's prepare. You will need a few key items: a new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your engine is slightly warm but not hot, as this helps the old oil drain more effectively. We will begin by locating the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing. Now let's get that old oil out. Place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, which is usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Using the appropriate size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which might take about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed from your engine. With the old oil drained, it's time for a fresh start. Locate and remove the old oil filter, then install your new filter, ensuring it's hand-tightened and then given an additional quarter to half turn with a wrench. Next, replace the drain plug, tightening it firmly but without over-tightening. Finally, carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 to 6 quarts for an Audi Q3, through the oil filler cap. You're almost done. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off. This allows the new oil to circulate. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. After a few minutes, use your dipstick to verify the oil level, adding a small amount if needed. Remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil at an authorized recycling facility to protect our environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.